In early 2023, Google introduced an impressive advancement in conversational AI called Google BARD. This technology seemed to revolutionize AI-powered chatbots, especially since its top contender, OpenAI's ChatGPT, had not yet gained enough traction. And now, with its latest update, Google BARD is pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. What's new in September this year, Google BARD received a significant update that enhanced its capabilities and potential applications. One of BARD's biggest updates includes its newfound ability to access and process real-time web data. In comparison, ChatGPT relies on information available up until 2021 and may not provide the same level of accuracy and timeliness in delivering real-time updates. The current update for BARD includes a programming enhancement that allows it to filter information from the real-time web, considering the broader context rather than relying solely on specific words or phrases. What's more, BARD now boasts seamless integration with Google's extensive ecosystem, encompassing a suite of applications like Gmail, Docs, and Drive. For instance, imagine composing an email in Gmail and needing to reference specific information or documents stored in your Google Drive. With BARD's integration, users can effortlessly retrieve and incorporate this information, eliminating the need for constant tab switching or manual searches. Additionally, when working on collaborative documents in Google Docs, BARD can serve as a valuable assistant, providing quick access to relevant data, offering suggestions, or even aiding in the formulation of precise and effective language. This integration not only streamlines workflow but also enhances the overall efficiency of tasks, making it a powerful tool for professionals, students, and anyone seeking a more seamless and productive experience within the Google ecosystem. Another addition is the double-check button. Users can use this feature to gauge how BARD's responses score on the accuracy front. Certain segments of BARD's reply are highlighted to indicate where Google search results align or differ. It's akin to a fact-checker, addressing a common AI challenge known as hallucinations. BARD now also enables one user to share a conversation with another, facilitating collaborative interactions. Enhanced power metrics. Most of the updates and advanced features are achieved through the utilization of enhanced language models, particularly the Pathways Language Model 2, PaLM 2. PaLM 2 represents a quantum leap in language modeling, building upon the foundation laid by its predecessor, PaLM. PaLM 2 is exposed to a diverse range of text through meticulous training methods, honing its ability to grasp subtle details and context with remarkable precision. The model is optimized to handle complex queries and generate responses that seamlessly align with the conversational flow. This milestone signifies a leap forward in contextual understanding, ensuring that BARD's responses are not only accurate but also contextually relevant, thereby elevating the user experience to unprecedented heights. What powers these advancements are sophisticated technological underpinnings. BARD leverages cutting-edge natural language processing techniques, a field at the intersection of artificial intelligence and linguistics. NLP enables BARD to comprehend and process human language, allowing for fluent and contextually rich interactions. Through deep learning algorithms and neural network architectures, BARD achieves a level of understanding that transcends mere surface-level interpretation. It delves into syntactic structures, semantic nuances, and contextual intricacies within sentences, ultimately forming responses that mirror human conversation. BARD's ability to navigate the web in real time is a feat achieved through a combination of advanced web scraping techniques and NLP algorithms. When presented with a user query, BARD dynamically retrieves and sifts through information on the web, distilling it into coherent and relevant responses. This process involves parsing and understanding web content, extracting very specific details, and seamlessly integrating them into the conversations. When it comes to AI models, the specific capabilities of Google's PaLM 2 compared to ChatGPT's GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 have attracted considerable attention. Both Google and OpenAI have opted to maintain a degree of confidentiality regarding the intricate details of their models. Nevertheless, an exhaustive study conducted by the University of California, Berkeley, employing a blind test with over 40,000 participants, has provided some insights. Currently, BARD's PaLM 2 occupies a sixth position in user preference. In contrast, ChatGPT's GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 lead the rankings, claiming the first and second positions respectively. Ethical concerns. Privacy concerns have been a central focus of discussion surrounding the deployment of Google BARD, particularly within the European Union. The Irish Data Protection Commission raised valid concerns regarding BARD's compliance with GDPR requirements. Google's privacy policy updates, which grant the company the authority to collect publicly available online information for training its AI models, including BARD, have elicited scrutiny. While Google maintains that this data collection excludes private information associated with individual accounts, the transparency raises ethical questions. Users may rightfully question the extent to which their online activities are being mined for training purposes. The requirement to be logged into a Google account to use BARD, along with the potential retention of certain data, adds another layer of complexity. In addition, ethical considerations surrounding the deployment of large language models like BARD are weighty. A valid concern is the potential misuse of these powerful tools to disseminate misinformation or manipulative propaganda. This could manifest as fabricated news articles or deceptive social media content. Users are strongly urged to exercise caution and employ BARD judiciously, keeping these ethical concerns at the forefront of their interactions. Bias mitigation is another issue, but it is more or less common in the bigger conversation regarding AI. Addressing biases is a critical aspect of developing large language models. These models learn from vast datasets, which may inadvertently contain implicit biases. Should BARD generate responses that exhibit bias against specific groups, it warrants careful examination. Users are advised to approach BARD with discernment, acknowledging and challenging any potential biases that may surface in its output. What to expect in the future? Google BARD is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. BARD can be used to develop new forms of education, customer service, and entertainment. As far as new forms of education are concerned, BARD can be used to create personalized learning experiences that are tailored to the individual needs of each student. BARD can also be utilized to provide students with real-time feedback and support. For example, it can be employed to create a virtual tutor that can help students learn a new language or to develop a new skill. In terms of improved customer service, BARD can be used to develop chatbots that can answer customer questions quickly and accurately, 24/7. BARD can also be utilized to provide personalized recommendations and support to customers. For example, it can be used to develop a chatbot that can help customers with their banking or shopping needs. New forms of entertainment and creative expression can also benefit from BARD. It can be used to generate realistic and immersive virtual worlds. It can also be utilized to create new forms of interactive storytelling and games. In addition to these specific applications, BARD can also address some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as climate change and poverty. There are studies underway that are using BARD to generate new ideas for renewable energy technologies or to develop more effective poverty alleviation strategies. Though BARD is in its early stages, this latest update showcases Google's vision for integrating generative AI across its services. It's important to note that BARD's website mentions it's still an experiment, and there may be occasional inaccuracies or content that doesn't reflect Google's views. Because it has only recently been released, Google BARD is currently drawing reviews from all corners. It's part of a larger push by tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI to bring increasingly advanced AI technologies to everyday users to tap into the full potential of what AI can achieve. So there's definitely more in the store. Thanks for watching.